Hello my dear friends, welcome to Enthusiast. In this very powerful video of algebraic challenging equations, where we are going to solve one very interesting quartic equation. As we have seen number of solutions for quartic polynomial or quartic equation, we have seen number of solutions. But today in this video, we will be solving this question by diminishing of roots method. So my method number 1 is diminishing of roots method. To remove the second term, let me write all the terms to left hand side first. Minus x square plus 68x plus 60 equal to 0. Okay. Now, to remove the second term, which is minus 8x cube, we have to diminish the root of the equation by one factor. Let me call that factor a. So that is, formula is there, minus of coefficient of x cube over degree of the quartic, that is 4 we will put here, and times coefficient of leading term, that means x power 4. So I can write minus of coefficient of x cube, minus it, divided by degree of quartic, obviously 4, times coefficient of leading term, or leading term, what is value? That is 1. So it is 8 over 4, which is 2. So diminishing factor is 2. That means we have to divide the given quartic equation by this divisor x minus 2 successively. This is our divisor. Let's divide successively. I will write x minus 2. Then I will write our polynomial x power 4 minus 8x cube minus x square plus 68x plus 60, and then I will put over there one line. Let me demonstrate one, then I will skip the 2 division. See, I will consider x cube, then it will become x power 4 minus 2x cube. Change of sign, minus plus. This will get over. What is left? Minus 6x cube. Remaining terms as it is, 68x plus 60. Now I will take minus 6x square times. So it will become minus 6x cube. Then I will write plus 12x square. Same job, change of sign. This will get over minus 13x square. Remaining term unchanged. Then I will take negative 13x times. X times negative 13x. So it will become negative 13x square. Then I will write plus 26x. Change of sign. This will get over 68 minus 26. That is 42x plus 60. The last quotient I will write, the term of the quotient, that is 42. Then it will become 42x minus 84. Change of sign. This term will get add. So 144. So this is our remainder. In this successive manner, we will divide and see this is our quotient. Again, we will divide by the divisor x minus 2 to the given quotient. This quotient, and this is our divisor. Again, we will divide. And don't forget about the remainder, because this is the terms which we will get ultimately. Let's do it. I will write x minus 2 divided by what was quotient there, that was x cube minus 6x square minus 13x plus 42. Now I will skip that part. I will pause it and then I will show you. After successively the second division, we are having quotient x square minus 4x minus 21, remainder 0. Again we will take up the successive division. That means I am going to divide the quotient of the previous step, x square minus 4x minus 21, and then same process I will follow. Noticeable point is you are getting 1 0 remainder, then 1 value, then 0, then 1 value. That means it is framing only even powers. Okay, let me take x times. I will write x square minus 2x. Change of sign, minus plus this will get over, this sign will be plus, so minus 2x, minus 21 as it is. Again I will consider minus 2 times, so it will become minus 2x plus 4, change of sign, plus minus, now it is minus 25. Now you can see once you will divide one more time, you will get 1. X minus 2 divided by x minus 2, that would be 1. So let me write our final equation, which we can conclude from here. X power 4 minus 25 x square plus 144 equal to 0. This is called successive division, and our quartic converted into degree 4 with diminishing factor 2. So what I will do, I will solve this equation. X power 4, let me write x power 4 minus 25x square plus 144 equal to 0. So this is quadratic in x square. So I will write directly quadratic formula. Minus b, 25 plus minus square root b square, 625 minus 4ac, so 576 divided by 2a, so 2. So we are having 25 plus minus square root 49. Let me write directly 7 over 2. So if I will consider plus sign, 32 over 2, 16, and minus sign, then 9. So ultimately x will be plus minus 4 plus minus 3. Okay. Now we diminish the root by 2. So we have to raise by 2. So let me write in discrete form. So I will write plus 4 minus 4 plus 3. Sorry. Plus 3, it is plus 3 minus 3. So our original roots for the given equation, this one, will raise the roots by 2. So add 2 to all. 4 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2, 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2. So what is coming out? 6 minus 2, 5 minus 1. So here we are having 4 roots of the quartic equation using diminishing of roots method. Let me consider our conventional method, that is method number 2. So we will take up direct steps in this because we have solved many number of problems. I will write our equation x power 4 minus 8x cube minus x square plus 68x plus 60 equal to 0. Now I will consider rational root theorem. So our eligible factors for the constant coefficient plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, up to plus minus 60 it is. I am not going to write all. And leading coefficient is plus minus 1. So let me put directly x equal to minus 1. Suppose I am checking for x is equal to minus 1 value out of eligible factors. Now minus 1, let me put the value of minus 1, then it will become 1 plus 8 minus 1 minus 68 plus 60. Check, this term will get over. 60 plus 8, 68, yes. So x equal to minus 1 is our solution. Quickly we will use synthetic division method. All the coefficients of the quartic equation, 1, minus 8, minus 1, 68, 60. Let me put one line over there. Leading coefficient as it is. Now multiply. Minus 1, minus 9, 9, 8, minus 8, 60, minus 60, 0. So cubic, now quartic converted into cubic. Coefficients are 1 minus 9, 8, 60. So equation will be x cube minus 9x square plus 8x plus 60 equal to 0. Again I will try one more base solution for the cubic equation. If I will put x is equal to minus 2. So you can again generate using rational root theorem the eligible factors. So if I will put x equal to minus 2, then it will become minus 8, minus 36, minus 16 plus 60. So if you will check, this will satisfy the equation. So this is again one root. Again, I will use this cubic equations coefficient for synthetic division. So I will write 1, minus 9, 8, 60. Then I will put one line over there. 1, minus 2 times 1, minus 2, minus 11. Minus 11 times 2, 22, 30. 30 times 2, minus 60, 0. This is your quadratic equation. X square minus 11x plus 30 equal to 0. Okay. Now I will solve using factorization method. Minus 11x plus 30 equal to 0. 6 5s are 30. So I can write x square minus 6x minus 5x. I splitted the central term 11 as minus 6 minus 5 plus 30 equal to 0. I will take x common out. X minus 6 minus 5 common out. X minus 6 equal to 0. So we are having two factors, x minus 5, x minus 6 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 5 and 6. This is by conventional method of synthetic division and rational root theorem. So our final solution using this method, minus 1, minus 2, 5 and 6. I will write 5 and 6. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.